It looks like today we got right to 80 degrees for our high today. Got pretty hot out there in Bangor, and by the coast we can see Rockland at 77 degrees, Bar Harbor at 78. We did have those 80s stretch to the southwestern portion of the state. We see Augusta 82 and Freiburg got up to 85. And then we did have some mid to upper 70s north of us in Greenville and Millinocket with a high of 79 degrees. As we go into those early morning lows, looks like we'll be right around 64 degrees with some mostly cloudy skies tonight as we do have a weather system approaching, and that is going to keep things relatively cool going into tomorrow. If those storms pass through pretty quick, we would see Bangor getting up to 75 degrees, but most likely with that rain in the area, we'll probably be staying around the low 70s. As you can see, Deer Isle at 68 and Millinocket at 68 as well. Things are going to be a little bit cooler than they have been the past few days for tomorrow. As you can see, we're through that cool part for these next few days. We'll be in those mid 70s Wednesday and Thursday, and then temperatures are going to rebound nicely going into this weekend. We can see some mid 80s by Saturday and Sunday, and once we get into Monday, it's going to get very, very hot out there with a high of 88 degrees, so the heat is definitely going to make its way back into our area. Taking a look at the humidity right now, looks like it's pretty muggy out there. It's going to stay like that until we get to Friday, but once that high pressure makes its way back in, those dew points are going to drop and will be a lot more comfortable going into the weekend. But for now, humidity is up there, pretty muggy and sticky out there, so that's something to keep an eye on. Other than that, looking at the radar, we can see our next weather system approaching from the south. It is now just going into New York, and that is going to make its way into Maine by those early morning hours. So taking a look at that future forecast, we can see right around 4:30 is when we're going to start to get that rain into our area. And once we get around 8:30 in the morning, that's when we'll have some thunderstorms start to approach, giving us a rude awakening in the morning with some loud thunder and maybe some heavy downpours as well. That's going to clear out going into Tuesday evening. We'll be in the clear with maybe a few lingering showers right around 9 o'clock on Tuesday. Taking a look at the future rainfall with this event, looks like we'll be close to an inch in Bangor, just a little bit over 3/4 of an inch, and we can see that stretching off to the east. Princeton around 3/4 of an inch as well, and then just north of that they can see probably close to an inch, while areas north and near the coast are going to see right around a 1/2 inch of rain. Taking a look at those wind speeds right now, we can see a south wind of Bangor 10 miles per hour, southwest near Bar Harbor 12 miles per hour, but other than that in the state we do see a lot of 5-mile-per-hour winds, especially near Greenville. So winds are right around that 5 to 15 mile per hour range. For tonight, low of 63 degrees. We'll have increasing clouds throughout the night, and then we'll have those showers during those early morning hours, and winds are going to be calm throughout tonight. Going into tomorrow, a high of 72 degrees. We'll have those scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the early morning hours and lingering throughout the day. Other than that, winds are going to be from the south. Taking a look at your extended forecast, looks like we're going to have a few stormy days coming up, especially going into Thursday and Friday as well. Then sunshine will return back on Saturday with a high of 83 degrees.